Welcome to CA Simplified Café. So, what's on the menu today? Pizza. But wait, this pizza isn't for your stomach. It's for your next 10 marks in cash flow. Let's solve the concept today's concept. Now, imagine this entire pizza, okay? Imagine this entire pizza, okay? This entire pizza is your net profit before tax. Now, in balance sheet questions, what ICAI usually gives you is this one slide. Okay, this one slide, that is your closing P&L balance. Now, where did the other slices go? This is your tax, this is your dividend, then you have your general reserve, then you have your dividend redemption reserve or capital redemption reserve. Both is created from profits. These all are called appropriations. Okay, they were taken out of the profit, so they are missing from your this closing P&L balance. Now, to find out these portion, what I will have to do, sorry, I want to find out this entire portion. Okay, so the amount that I am given in balance sheet is only this one slice. So what I will do is my closing P&L minus opening P&L plus all these appropriations. So I will add up all of them, those that are applicable for that particular question. Then I will get my net profit after tax. From this I will remove the tax provision and I will get net profit before taxes. This is the starting point for my cash flow statement indirect method. Today's special is served. Cafe closes for today. See you tomorrow at CA Simplified Cafe with a fresh concept on the menu. Until then, keep learning one concept at a time. Happy studying.